In this video, we are about to learn the history, traits, temperament, and caring of a German Shepherd dog. Also, we will go through the advantages and disadvantages of having a German Shepherd dog. So let's start with German Shepherd history first. The German Shepherd breed originated in Germany at the end of the 19th century. This breed was responsible for grazing sheep and protecting herds from predators. This breed was actually developed by the crossbreeding of working sheepdogs from rural Germany by an ex-cavalry officer Karl Max von Stephanitz, whose aim was to create the smartest, sympathetic, and obedient local shepherd dogs, now known as the German Shepherd. In 1899, the standards of this breed were drawn up in a breed show. Since then, this dog became firmly established throughout Germany. And by the start of World War I, German Shepherd became popular throughout the world because of their loyal and courageous nature. Because of the breed's reputation for being loyal, courageous, and easily trainable, this dog has become one of the preferred working breeds for many security forces, especially the police, and as well as one of the most popular breeding breeds as a pet. Friends, wait for pros and cons coming shortly in this video. But before that, let us go through its vitals. Now, let us know the German Shepherd height and weight. The average height of an adult male German Shepherd is typically 24 to 26 inches tall, while the average height of adult female German Shepherds are 22 to 24 inches tall. An adult male German Shepherd weighs anywhere from 65 to 90 pounds. A female German Shepherds are a little lighter, weighs between 50 to 70 pounds. German Shepherd lifespan. The average lifespan of a healthy German Shepherd dog is between 10 and 13 years. As per American Kennel Club and United Kennel Club, the German Shepherd dogs are recognized as herding dogs. Let us talk about its features. This dog has natural upright ears, piercing dark eyes, long bushy tail with a slight hook like a saber. German Shepherd dogs come in colors like black and tan, black, white, grey, black and cream, sable, black and red, bicolor, and panda. However, the rarest color is the Isabella, which come with the combination of blue and liver. To understand this dog, you should first go through its characteristics and temperament. Let us start with German Shepherd dog characteristics. The German Shepherd dog is generally a medium-sized dog. It is a highly sociable and energetic animal that is very loyal to its owner. It is a hardy, robust, and active breed that is used for a variety of purposes, such as working, police work, herding, and guide work. It is often used as a guide dog and is used by many police departments in all over the world. Now let's understand the German Shepherd temperament. It has a cheerful and friendly personality and it's very active. It is a dog that loves having people around and will play and socially with you. It is a very devoted and loyal dog, and its affection for its family is almost unconditional. They are obedient, very loyal, and dedicated to their owners. They are not aggressive when treated well, and if they are not, they will be vicious. They are very sensitive, and they require more training and exercise than most other breeds. They are playful, very smart, and are very energetic. German Shepherds are often described as calm, gentle, and friendly. However, German Shepherds are extremely protective and they have been known to defend their owners. They are very eager to please and are good at making friends. Many people consider German Shepherd dogs to be more intelligent than other breeds of dogs, but they make very sure they have the proper training and socialization before adopting them. They are not a breed that is likely to get lost on a walk because they are a very intelligent breed. We all know that owning a dog is a responsibility. When you take a dog into your life, you must understand the obligations that come with owning a dog. Come, let's go through certain responsibilities which are mandatory when you own a German Shepherd dog. Caring for a German Shepherd dog, when you say caring, is literally means grooming. They do shed once or twice a year, therefore during these periods, regular brushing will control the hairs not being accumulated on the floor and the furniture. And during non-shedding days, it is advised that you brush your dogs for at least once or twice a week. Bath your dog at least once a month. The correct shampoo is essential to the dog's coat and condition. With regular care, your German Shepherd is bound to look beautiful all year long. Giving your German Shepherd a balanced diet food is one of the important responsibilities. Feeding your German Shepherd depends on age, whether it is puppy or adult. It is recommended to give high quality dog food which contains all the nutrients the breed needs. If you want to give a home-cooked diet to your dog, then make sure food contains 40% meat, 30% vegetables, and 30% starch. Some German Shepherd dogs suffer from allergies when they have wheat flour in their diet. Avoid foods that are high in fat. If you decide to treat a dog with biscuits and leftovers, then do it in small amounts. Find out which human foods are safe for your dog and which are not. See your vet if you have any doubts about your dog's weight or diet. The German Shepherd exercise. The German Shepherd boosts a high energy level and thus this dog breed requires plenty of exercise on a daily basis. They need enough time for exercise and play, otherwise they would get bored and restless. A bored German Shepherd can be very destructive. It is recommended for you to at least take them for a walk for a minimum of 30 to 40 minutes a day. Next responsibility is German Shepherd training. Begin training immediately with an emphasis on socialization as soon as you bring your new dog home. Exercise them well. A regular, rigorous exercise should be part of the dog's training routine. Provide them enough time for exercise and play. Ensure consistency before introducing the dog to the family. Make sure everyone knows and understands the basic rules for a new dog and follows them. Establish yourself as the leader of the pack. German Shepherds make excellent working dogs because they respect leadership. This information on the mentality of these dogs should be a bonus. Make this your primary goal. The most important responsibility is to proactively avoid the German Shepherd's health issues by having a routine checkup with your vet. Due to rather intense inbreeding over the years, the German Shepherd dog suffers from a number of genetic disorders which include the following. Major concerns are hip dysplasia and elbow dysplasia. Minor concerns are penocytitis, von Willebrand disease, degenerative myelopathy, quadra equina, skin allergies, hot spots, neoplasms, pannus, cataract, gastric torsion, perianal fistulas, cardiomyopathy, hemangiosarcoma. German Shepherd dogs are also extremely susceptible to a potentially fatal systemic infection from the fungus aspergillus. It is advisable to have routine checkups with your vet to keep your beloved German Shepherd healthy. Finally, let's go through some advantages and disadvantages of having a German Shepherd dog. Advantages are they are highly intelligent, loyal to their owner and the family, easy to train, great guard dogs, handsome, natural looking dog. And disadvantages are they eat a lot, requires lots of exercises, they should moderately to heavy, destructiveness when bored or not exercised enough, health issues, especially hip and elbow dysplasia. I hope this video has given you a good idea of what you need to know about owning a German Shepherd and what to expect from this dog. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you liked this video. Please give a big thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and don't forget to share it.